Hello, and welcome to English Podcast with Missy. Here we learn English for real life. Clear, slow, and simple. Let's learn English together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another English podcast. I'm Missy. I hope you're doing well today. Maybe you're relaxing at home. Maybe you're walking outside. Or maybe you're sitting in a quiet cafe. Wherever you are, I'm glad we can spend this moment together. Today, I want to tell you a story. A simple, honest story. It's about my very first day teaching after the summer break. The first day of anything. A new job, a new school year, a new chapter. Always feels big. It's full of feelings. Some nerves, some excitement, and a little bit of wonder. In this episode, we'll also explore two important grammar tenses: present simple use for daily routines and present continuous uses for things happening right now. Are you ready? Let's begin. It's still early. The sky is soft, pale blue and pink like watercolor. My alarm clock rings quietly. Beep, beep, beep. I slowly open my eyes. I stretch my arms, and I lie there for a moment, just breathing. Then I remember, today is my first day teaching. A mix of feelings rushes through me. I feel excited. I feel nervous. I feel unsure, but hopeful. I get up. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cool water. The mirror shows a sleepy but smiling face. Let's do this, I whisper to myself. Now it's time to get dressed. I choose something simple and comfortable. A clean white shirt, soft pants, my favorite shoes, the ones I always wear when I want to feel calm and steady. In the kitchen, I make breakfast. Just toast and tea. Something light. I sit at the small table, slowly sipping my tea. I can hear the quiet sounds outside. Birds singing, a few motorbikes passing. My thoughts begin to wander. What will the students be like? Will they smile? Will I remember everything? I check my school bag, one by one. Lesson plan, markers, notebook, water bottle. Everything's in place. I take one last sip, put on my bag, and step outside. The morning is gentle. The air is fresh, not too hot yet. I'm walking slowly to school, not rushing, just breathing. A few leaves float down from the trees. Birds are hopping along the path. It's peaceful. I look up and see the school building. Tall, white. Familiar, but new again. At the front gate, I stop for a moment. I see students walking in, some laughing, some quiet, some with big backpacks and sleepy eyes. I take a deep breath and smile. Here we go, I whisper. I walk through the hall and find my classroom. Room 3B. I open the door. Sunlight spills across the floor. The desks are neatly in rows. The whiteboard is clean and shiny. I step in and place my bag on the teacher's desk. I take a moment to look around. This is my classroom. This is where I'll spend many days, I think. This is where I'll teach, learn, and grow. And just like that, I feel something warm in my chest. I feel ready. The bell rings. And then they come in, my new students. Some look at me with big eyes. Some smile shyly. Some whisper to each other. I stand at the front and say, "Good morning, everyone." Their voices answer together. "Good morning, teacher." That moment Hearing them call me teacher, it feels special. I ask them their names. We go around the class. We play a small get-to-know-you game. What's your favorite color? What food do you love? Do you like music? They laugh, some joke with each other. Some speak softly. But the room begins to feel warm, like a home. Now it's time to start. I walk to the whiteboard and slowly write, "Welcome to English class." I turn to the students. They're watching, waiting. We begin with simple greetings. Hello. How are you? What's your name? We say them together, over and over, gently. I model the sounds. They repeat. Some are confident, some need more time. That's okay. Everyone is learning. I'm not just teaching English, I'm building connection. I'm showing them it's safe to try, even if they make mistakes. I speak slowly, I smile often, and I listen. After 1 hour, it's break time. The students run out of the classroom, laughing and talking. I walk to the teacher's room and pour myself a cup of water. My hands are a little shaky, but my heart feels full. Another teacher asks, "How was your first class?" I laugh. A little scary, but actually really fun. And it's true. I was nervous. But the students made me feel welcome too. The day passes quickly. We practice words. We draw. We laugh. And before I know it, it's time to go home. The students wave at me. Some shout, "See you tomorrow, teacher." I smile and wave back. "See you." I clean the board. I organize my papers. I put my things back in my bag. Then I step outside. The sun is starting to set. The sky is orange, gold, a little pink. I walk home slowly. The air is soft. The world feels quiet again. And I think to myself, I did it. I'm really a teacher now. Let's take a quick look at the grammar we used in today's story. We practiced 2 common English tenses, present simple tense and present continuous tense. We use the present simple to talk about things in general. We use it when something happens all the time, happens repeatedly, or something is always true. Here are some examples from this story. I walk to the bathroom. The students wave at me. I teach English. These are regular actions, part of daily routine. It usually happens in our everyday life. We use the present continuous tense to talk about for things happening right now or temporary situation and the changes that are starting to happen. Here are some examples from this story. I'm walking slowly to school. I'm feeling nervous. The students are running out of the classroom. These sentences describe what's happening at the moment or just for now. Let's see how the meaning changes when we use both tenses. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day versus I am waking up right now. I teach English every day versus I am teaching my first class now. You see? The verb changes a little, and the meaning changes too. Thank you so much for listening to my story today. It means a lot to share this with you. The first day of something new is always special. It might be scary. You might feel unsure. But also, there's magic in beginning. Maybe you're a student. Maybe you're a teacher. Or maybe you're someone starting something new. Wherever you are, take a breath. Be kind to yourself and keep learning. If you want to read this story again, just check the link in the description. You'll find the full script and grammar notes. Great for review or shadowing. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Keep going and keep growing.